Welcome if you're new, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back. So I've teamed up with Dial to bring you these beautiful, so cute DIY fairy gardens. And my girls and I were so excited to make these. Now, most of the items you need, you can get at either the Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. That's where I got all of our items from. And what you'll need is just a glass or plastic dish, some potting soil, and your accessories of choice. You can make them as simple or as extravagant as you like. I mean, really, you could just use your imagination for these. And plus, the girls got to creatively make their fairy gardens the way that they wanted to make them. So for my girls, I decided to have them use these flat terracotta pots that I got at Hobby Lobby. But again, they don't have to be glass. You can use plastic. My mother made this beautiful one, and she used a plastic bowl that you can put like chips or an appetizer in, and it came out fine. So what you're gonna do is pour the dirt in the terracotta pot, and then the girls just pat the dirt down. I think this was their favorite part because they got dirty doing it. But yeah, you just spread the dirt around evenly and have them, like I said, push down on the dirt to make it flat. So from here, we just added our little houses, a little walkway, a little rock path walkway, a little barn or gate area for the animals. And I bought those little animals from the Dollar Tree. A little fence for them. My mom added a little pool that these are rocks that she had already at home. A little pool, a little bridge. I mean, you can be as creative as you want. And I bought these little fairies from the Dollar Tree for the girls to add in there. And then my mom actually made some of the pieces from twigs that she found outside and a hot glue gun. Like, she made a little swing for them and a bench, a bunch of little things that she just made out of twigs. She made a little fireplace out of the twigs, so it was really super cute. But again, you can be as creative with this as you'd like. As you can see, the girls' hands were filthy afterwards. The dirt definitely made an impact, and they loved playing in it. So we went to the bathroom and we washed our hands with this Dial 2-in-1 moisturizing soap. And as a family with dry skin, we all have dry skin. I hate antibacterial soap because it dries your hands out so profusely. But what I love about this soap is that it's so moisturizing afterwards. Like, your hands feel so soft and completely moisturized that you barely need any lotion on afterwards. So I really love that. And especially since my youngest has eczema, we are really super sensitive with the soaps that we use in our home. But I really love this Dial soap because it's not overpowering, the scents aren't overpowering, and it gets you clean and keeps you moisturized. I just love that it's antibacterial, especially now during the cold and flu season, so it kills all the nasty bugs, and moisturizing at the same time. Here we use the rose oil scent, but they also have two other scents, one called Manuka Honey, which I cannot wait to try, but it was sold out at the stores that I went to. And they also have a Pearl Essence scent. And again, the scents aren't overpowering, and so it's not too much, but it's just enough to smell good and make your hands feel nice and soft. And actually, I've been raving about this soap so much that I bought my mom one for her at her house, and she absolutely loves it too. So now her and my dad both use the soap to wash their hands because it's not so drying, like I said. And right now, for a limited time, you can go into certain stores to get the soap for 75% off. So look around in your local stores for it, because I'm telling you guys, you will love it. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you decide to try this with your family. I think this is such a fun family project to do. And leave a comment down below and let me know if you try it and what you like about it. And let me know if you use the soap, because I really do think you'll like that too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture on the screen, and you can also check out my previous video right next to it, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you again to Dial for partnering with me with this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!